Hi, I'm Iggy, a manager of Function Festival. In this Pecha Kucha, I will be exploring how our festival survived and navigated the challenges of the fourth industrial revolution, where AI emerged rapidly as the most disruptive force in history, causing chaos, complexity, and contradictions in the events industry. In the early 20s, AI became rapidly integrated into electronic markets, leading to a widespread acceptance across industrial borders and a shift in the global economy. Any surviving industry was forced to adopt this technology, and in the present day, AI is found at every level of music festival production. The event sector, historically volatile and uncertain, faced a drastic downturn during the pandemic, plummeting from 3.3 to 0.3 billion within a year. However, with the introduction of AI, this sector now possesses the resilience to withstand comparable challenges, as witnessed during the 2030 monkeypox outbreak. I will further highlight the ways in which AI facilitated this resilience. AI can be likened to Sada's metaphor of a black elephant. Over recent decades, challenges identified in the early years of development were not adequately addressed, causing deeply ingrained issues. The accelerated advancement of AI in the music festival sector specifically raised issues with security, cost, and job stability. Artificial agents now hold a substantial share of the workforce in the sector, populating various administrative and physical roles. This new digital shift resulted in a substantial displacement of jobs across the industry, in many validating concerns about technology. Conversely, it spurred the creation of new jobs and placed higher praise on remaining creative roles. As AI capabilities advance, so too do the risks of cybercriminals using more advanced attacks, posing threats to sensitive information held by companies in all industries. Cybersecurity, for this reason, has become a primary concern in our operations, absorbing many resources from our festival to ensure the safety of staff and consumers' data. Alternatively, AI has surpassed expectations of its positive implications, notably mitigating climate change through advancing research in sustainable fuels. These alternative fuels now meet 40% of transport energy demand in the UK, significantly reducing emissions of the festival sector, where 80% emanate from audience and staff transport. The adaptable events industry has also been able to cut carbon emissions hugely through the swift transition into hybrid and virtual events over a relatively short period of time, surpassing previous levels of engagement and widespread immersion. The potential for these virtual and hybrid events was not fully imagined until forced by the pandemic, and since has been vital to the economic well-being of the industry. For our festival, we have seamlessly integrated this technology into live entertainment by providing optional, non-intrusive eyewear with wristband admittance. By leveraging spatial and facial recognition through AI software, attendees can experience immediate digital augmentation, optimizing immersion while not fully detracting from the authentic live experience. We have also created fully virtual festival components, offering live spectacle broadcasts to external audiences at a reduced cost. Partnering with VR headset providers, we deliver an immersive show experience, replicating the true feeling of being at a live event. Our broadcasts utilize data from cameras and sensors on site to ensure a consistent consumer experience. Machine learning algorithms now play a role in optimizing festival lineups in real time, targeting different audiences and discovering emerging talent through the analysis of data from various streaming platforms. This has enhanced the cultural impact and role of festivals, with many key artists of recent times emerging from breakthrough shows at these events. The virtual bridge has secured the future sustainability of the sector by expanding the audience, increasing profitability, and managing environmental factors. Despite this, there's been a decline in the use of augmented elements since their introduction, supporting Yeoman's view that festivals thrive on human interaction and excessive technology may lead to co-destruction of the consumer experience. Music festival security employs metaframing to detect threats in real time, which has become an industry standard. This technique ensures efficient crisis management, ingress and egress, and stakeholder protection without the risk of human error, safeguarding the legal duty of care and festival sustainability. To implement the meta-framing model, we have integrated discrete surveillance drones, mostly replacing security cameras, utilizing facial recognition and RFID technology for crowd analysis. This enhanced approach to policing has greatly reduced incidents like sexual assault, casualties, and major disruptions. Festivals are now a safer space and more appealing to the wider public. Radio frequency identification was first used to create a cashless festival in 2013 and is now using beacon technology to track the exact position of attendees, benefiting security measures and visitor flow. This tech also allows augmented reality to activate in different festival areas, creating varied experiences and fostering powerful shared memories. Food and drink vendors in their traditional sense no longer exist at our festival. Instead, we automate this process by using advanced collaborative robots and AI to communicate with customers while placing and receiving orders. This reduces labour cost of the festival, minimises wait time between transactions, and allows circular flow of the festival to be improved. In addition to these physical aspects, AI has also revolutionised the digital customer experience and reshaped traditional marketing models. Deep reasoning algorithms, as noted by Ritter, accurately predict potential customers and seamlessly automate this identification process. These models also contribute to festival enhancement by scanning public data to gauge positive and negative feedback. Implementing various AI forms initially demanded significant investment and continues to consume a considerable budget for maintenance and storage. However, AI's efficiency in streamlining budgeting, planning, forecasting, and marketing outweighs costs, leading to increased profitability in the music festival sector. Looking ahead, we will ensure we diligently analyse global and industry trends to stay at the forefront of technology, fostering the continued growth of our festival. Employing a pestle analysis, we will gather current information to strategically plan for the unseen future, ensuring the sustained prosperity of our industry. Observing the transformative impact of AI on the event sector over the past 30 years highlights the importance of anticipating all potential scenarios. By strategically allocating AI resources into predictive analytics, we aim to sustain a competitive advantage and foster the growth of our festival in a highly saturated market. I hope this has given you some insight. Thank you for listening.